Yeah. Why you think people should come downtown? Why people should visit downtown, auntie? We're like when the tourists come to Jamaica, we're downtown, you want them to go. We are talking about the market, the Coronation Market, or where? Where do you recommend? Where do you think the people should go?
To the mall.
The mall? Alright. Yeah. I don't know about Jamaica. One can be at Jamaica and not play domino. Domino is one of the most favorite event. It's like a little well. Place look nice still, I'm not telling no lie.
You don't know the siren you can card with you have to next media.
Yeah, bless upon yourself and people. You don't know, so your boy next media. And we're there again, you see it? We're there beautiful Kingston again. Right now I'm going downtown to do a little vlog downtown. So stay tuned guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe. You see it? Yeah man, if you don't want content more like this, do remember to like the video guys. I realize you don't watch the video and not like it. I'm beseeching you to like the video guys. Yeah man, up and running. Yes guys, I'm on my way to find a town bus. A bus that goes to downtown. So you can stay tuned with the Africa Transport Center. And we'll try to find a bus that go downtown. Let's up in a row. So basically, right to go across, we go over. See there, South Sutton Road. So basically, right over here, so the town bus then. You see it, downtown bus then. We're going downtown, you see it? Done there? Town? Alright guys, so I'm going to know, but then I'm a bus now. I go downtown, you see it? Yeah man, up and running. Yeah, bus to go cross road. That's it. Show no I'm going there, bus.
You don't get catch.
Alright, bless up in the guys. So as you see what I'm going, we finally downtown and thing, you know, you see it? Yeah man, we're downtown. So right now, I do a vlog and show you what I'm going to the place, you see it? Right over there, so. Sorry auntie. Right over there, so them are car park. Right for the inside, so. Just a showcase what I go on people. I don't know my style already. So I just go and watch and take in what I go on, you see it? Remember if you go and like up the video same way, go and share up the video same way, you see it? Because today, we keep it real and natural, you see it? One Dex Media. Alright, right over there, so people, as you can see, we're going to them have a little park. Yeah, little park is right over there. You see it? Yeah, park is right over there. Right over there, so a little park. Alright? So I'm just continue seeing way and show you how I'm going for the streets. You don't know my style already, you see it? Remember to like and share. And I think I want to go for the park though. See what I'm going for the park, you see it? Yeah, I'm taking my time. So we're at King Street, people, you see it? Yeah, this is beautiful King Street. You see it? I'm trying to find the entrance to the park. I think the entrance is right over there. Give me a little blind driver. Alright, so I'm just go over the park. Show you how I'm going for a beautiful park, you see it? So that's sign here, people. The right Alexandra William Garden Bustamante, you see it? Yeah. So they make the park here to remember him or something, you see it? It's a good look. It's a statue, you see it? So I'm just showcase the park, because a lot of people might come to Jamaica and they probably don't know that there's a park right downtown. Downtown is a good place also, you know, people. I'm not be able to tell you that downtown is a bad place. Downtown have something great down there just the same. So our next statue here to people. Yeah. Up and running. Yes, I'm just try to take a selfie over there, see what in a workout. So I take my time and tour the park, see you here. Yeah man, I'm just showing you how I'm going for this park here in downtown. Yeah, my general, big up, you know. See the people? Oh, water thing right there, so water place, is it? General them on the inside play domino. And see if I can catch a few of them.
Come on, pal, pay now, pay good
Up in my J. Yeah, I'm just make a pass through here. I know about Jamaica. One can be at Jamaica and not play domino. Domino is one of the most favorite events. There's a lot of statues over here though. This is the Honorable Edwards Jordan. A lot of statues over here. As you can see, Ragon people, a lot of people come over here to cool out and chill out, is it? Yeah, people come here to chill out and everything. Just a tour the park and I show you what I'm going, is it? So you can just watch, like and share, and subscribe. The people, I don't know what is this. It's like a little well. Place look nice still, I'm not telling no lie. Alright guys, so take my time and exit the park. I think I want to tour downtown. Like just walk the streets. Is it? Yeah, I think I want to do that. So you can stay tuned for that. Is it? I'm not really gonna ask anybody anything today. I'm just gonna walk and show you guys what I'm going today. Is it, people? Because some people really don't want to be on camera. Some people don't want to be interviewed. So we just go and do it. Yeah, auntie. You know, it's a little video thing I deal with today, auntie. Eh? Ah! Yeah. I said so. I said so. Alright, yeah, man. No problem. Alright, people. So right now we're the downtown. What do you call over here, Santi? Park. So we're at the park, beautiful park. I'm just showcase to a while ago. Auntie the right here, so I sell her things them. So Auntie always out here do it. And this always a sell. Yeah. Alright. Every day you out here I sell this. Every day, okay. So not right here, so right. Yeah man, it's a good look, man. I mean, I say I support our same way and thing, you see it? Yeah. Why you think people should come downtown? Why people should visit downtown, auntie? We're like when the tourists come to Jamaica, we're downtown, you want them to go. We're talking about the market, the Coronation Market, or where do you recommend? Where do you think the people should go?
To the mall.
The mall? Alright. Yeah.
Upstairs, their room, everything up there.
So the tourists them will feel like downtown is safe. You highly can recommend them to come downtown, see you.
Some the uptown and some the downtown.
Yeah. Sometimes you don't know it's safe, yeah, man. You can't too safe. Yeah. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, man.